Hello everybody. It's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. We got a really nice one here. This is called the linked double crochet. This is perfect for baby blankets, absolutely perfect for pot holders, anything with a dense texture. You cannot pull it apart. They are double crochets, but they are linked together and they work up really nice. They work up like standard double crochets in height. And they're fun. So I'm going to do a very detailed video on how to do this. And let's have some fun. There's the front and back. Beautiful. I have decided, the sample here is in purple, but I'm going to do it in this beautiful orange. Now, for my very beginners, I am also going to suggest stitch markers. This is how you keep your edges extremely straight. Very important, guys. Now, there is no pattern multiples for this. You can do any chain amount. So if you're doing a baby blanket or a lap blanket or, a blanket for your bed, just do your chain as long as you want. Absolutely no stitch count. So, but I do want to explain something to you. When you do your stitch count, let me bring this up a little bit. After you're done your stitch count, let me get a stitch count going first. And I am going to be using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm going to want a stitch count of 10. So I'm going to chain 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is what I'm choosing for my sample, okay? But whatever your stitch count is, do your stitch count. Do your full stitch count, all right? After you got your full stitch count completed, add 2 more chains, and you'll see why in a minute. So add 1 and 2. Add 2 more chains. All right, so this is how we start off the chain. All right, second chain from your hook, 1 and 2. That's my dogs. Second chain from the hook, go in that loop and bring up yarn. You're going to have 2 loops on your hook. 1 and 2. Now you go into that third chain from your hook, the next chain, and bring up yarn. After you do that, you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, and 3. I want you to yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2. That is a double crochet, standing double crochet for your edging. And this is where your stitch markers come into place. Put in a stitch marker in the top of that loop. That will help teach you where your last stitch is and your first stitch of double crocheting. Now, you look at your loop right here. You have a bar right underneath it. Then you have a tiny little bar right off to your left. These 2 bars right here, we don't touch them, okay? We're not touching them. But you do have a bar. If you go straight down from your top bar all the way down here, you have a bar right here. So you got the bar right underneath your loop right here. You got that little bar off to the left right there. And then you got the bar right underneath that one. This is the bar we're going to be working in. So it's 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, if that's how you want to count it. So we don't touch those 2. We'll be going into this one. Okay? So take your hook. You go into that bar right there. You yarn over and you bring up yarn. Now you're going to have 2 loops on your hook. Now you just go into your next stitch. Go right in there and you grab up yarn and bring it up. 1, 2, and 3 loops. You do your standard double crochet. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now that bar is going to really start showing itself. You got the bar right under your loop, your working loop, and then you got the bar under there. See it? Right there. So you go through that bar, bring up yarn, and then you go to your next stitch and do your double crochet. Here's your bar. See how the bars are starting to line up? Going in that bar and bring up yarn. Go into your next stitch, bring up yarn and do your double crochet. And you keep doing that. Here's your bar right here, bring up yarn. Go to your next stitch and do your double crochet. It's really nice how this bar really starts showing itself. And you can see the line, so you just keep following the line then. Go through the bar, bring up yarn, go to your next stitch, and bring up yarn. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Let's do it again. Go through your bar, bring up yarn. Go through your next stitch, and bring up yarn. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. You're going to keep doing that to the end, but when you get to your ending, I want to show you a secret. Make sure you see your bar. Go through your next stitch, do your normal double crochet. I apologize, I'm fighting a cold. Now, we're on our last stitch, guys. Go through your bar and bring up yarn. When you're on your last stitch here, guys, when you put your hook in, your last chain, go through 2 strands of yarn, just like that. That will prevent your project from pulling your tail out. So 2 strands, as you can see, there's 2 strands on there. Yarn over, go through 2. Then you yarn over, go through 2 and 2. And you did your first row. Look at how pretty, guys. It's beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how you start your rows from here on out. I want you to chain 1, put your finger on that first chain that you just did. Now do 1 more chain. Now, where I told you to put your finger on that first chain, put your hook right in that first chain and bring up yarn. Now you're going to go into your project. You go into that very first stitch and bring up yarn. 3 loops. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now, again, very, very important, put a stitch marker on top of that stitch, right there. Now, find your bar. Your first bar, second bar, third bar. Go into that bar, go through it, and bring up yarn. Go to your next stitch, go through it, and bring up yarn. 3 loops, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Find your bar again, right there. Go through it and bring up yarn. Your next stitch, go through it, bring up yarn. 3 loops, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And again, find your bar, bring up yarn. Your next stitch, bring up yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And you keep doing that. Find your bar, bring up yarn, go to your next stitch, and bring up yarn, and do your standing double crochet. So we do this to the very end. Don't forget to go through your bar, guys. So we do this to the very end. Bar, grab up yarn, and your stitch. The bar, your stitch, and do your double. And look, here's our last stitch, guys. So go through your bar, bring up yarn, go through that stitch with your stitch marker, and do your standing, your regular double crochet. Now we take out your stitch marker, turn your work. Look how pretty that is looking. Look how pretty. Again, let's do another row. Chain one and put your finger on it. Do another chain. Where I told you to put your finger, that first chain, I apologize, go through that first chain and bring up yarn. Now you're going to go through your stitch and bring up yarn. 3 loops. Go wrap yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And again, put on your stitch marker, just like that. Now, find your bar, go through it, and then your next stitch. And then you're going to do your normal that I've been showing you, linked double. Sorry about that. Let's start with again. So you're going to keep going through your bar and bringing up yarn and go into your next stitch. So you're going to do this for the whole row again. So going through that bar is linking these stitches together. That is the whole point of it. It's really pretty. It is absolutely beautiful. And it makes the most amazing baby blanket pattern ever. So you keep going until you reach your stitch marker. Sorry, it's banging. I don't want that to sound on you. But even when you have your last stitch, make sure you go through that bar. And then where your stitch marker is, you go in and bring up yarn and do your normal double crochet. Okay. So then you take out your stitch marker. And I'm going to do one more row with you guys to make sure everybody is good. And then you can just replay it as you need. So to start another row, chain 1, and put your thumb on that chain that you just did right here, okay? Then do one more chain. In that chain 1, put your hook and go through it and bring up yarn. Then you go in through your first stitch and bring up yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And then you put a stitch marker right on there, okay? And then you proceed. Find your bar, go through, bring up yarn, go to your next stitch, and do your double crochet. Go through your bar, bring up yarn, your next stitch, bring up yarn and do your double. Go through that bar and bring up yarn. Go through your next stitch and bring up yarn. and do your double. And you keep doing that all the way across. And then when you're at your end, you go through the bar and bring up yarn, and then go through your last stitch and bring up yarn and do your double. And look at how beautiful that is, guys. Stunning. Well, I am Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these wonderful educational crochet tutorials. If you ever have questions or need help, please comment. Come join us on TikTok Lives or come join us on Facebook, and we will help you in every way we can. Again, my name is Ronnie. I work with Maggie, and we're at Whip and Chain. Here, it's always a work in progress. Thank you, guys. Oh, let me show you the sample again, the full sample. Get everything out of the camera. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. And there's no holes in it. Works up beautiful. Have a wonderful and blessed day, guys, and stay safe in this world. Bye-bye.